Welcome, and let me introduce you how I build an entirely intranet with N8N and Notion. Welcome to the purchasing section, a simple online shop experience that is actually a structured consumables register built for the company. On the requester side, everything starts in our store. Items are organized by supplier in a clean gallery view, with photos and quick actions visible on every card. Open the item page, where the requested quantity is entered and saved immediately. Clicking My Cart brings the requester back to the purchasing dashboard. Quantities can still be adjusted, and the My Deliveries view is ready to track. Switching to purchasing management moves to the approver side. Requests are consolidated and grouped by supplier. Pressing the checkout button triggers an automated N8N workflow. Requests are bundled and converted into purchase orders. Opening a PO reveals an action checklist and direct links back to the supplier items. Once the order is placed, the steps are checked off and the PO is moved to ordered, automatically feeding the receiving stage. Back on the requester side, the cart is now empty and the items show up in My Deliveries with an ordered status. Finally, on the approver side, receiving management tracks each PO through verification, receiving tasks, and closure. Once the PO is moved to closed, the requester's delivery statuses update automatically to delivered, a full end-to-end flow from cart to receiving with minimal manual input. Thanks for watching. With Notion and N8N, this project helps structure processes, automate monitoring, and leverage AI to save time on a daily basis.